Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on INFINIX Zero 40. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, Dolby, install the app. Now once the installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Skip this part for now, not now, no thanks. I will just start recording very quickly just to show you how this app works. So grant permissions, and now we can just start a video recording or just a voice recording. I will start a voice recording and also finish it very quickly. Now in the bottom left gallery you are going to see in the bottom left corner you're going to see your gallery, so it is here, and this is the recording that we have just made. And if this icon is colorful, it means the audio is being played with effects of Dolby On apps. But if you press on this switch and this icon turns gray, it means that audio is going to be played raw. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.